សូមចុច Subscribe ដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗ
How about we start with a question? Are we on the brink of a new era in digitalization? Well, it's not a question of if, but when. The digital world is reshaping every facet of our lives, including marketing. But how? Let's delve into it. Consider the evolution of marketing from the traditional 4.0 model to the revolutionary 5.0 model, a journey that serves as a testament to the power of digitalization. The 4.0 model, though effective in its time, was all about the product. It was a one-way communication where marketers broadcasted their messages hoping they would stick. Let's take a hypothetical company, Blue Widgets Inc., as an example. They spent a fortune on broadcasting their message about the superiority of their widgets. But this approach was akin to shouting into a void, hoping for an echo. It lacked personalization, engagement, and most importantly, it didn't consider the customer's perspective. Now, enter Marketing 5.0, the era of personalization, engagement, and two-way communication. It's not just about broadcasting the message, it's about dialogue, interaction, and understanding the customer's needs and wants. Let's revisit Blue Widgets Inc. Embracing Marketing 5.0, they started utilizing AI and machine learning to understand their customers better. They employed data analytics to track customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing habits. They didn't just broadcast their message, they tailored it to fit each customer, turning marketing into a conversation rather than a monologue. And the result? A surge in customer engagement, higher customer satisfaction, and ultimately, an increase in sales. The transition from Marketing 4.0 to Marketing 5.0 empowered Blue Widgets Inc. to communicate more effectively with their customers, creating a win-win situation for both parties. So, what's the crux of the matter? The current state of digitalization is revolutionizing the marketing landscape. The shift from Marketing 4.0 to Marketing 5.0 is not just about adopting new technologies, it's about a paradigm shift in how we approach marketing. It's about moving from a product-centric approach to a customer-centric one, from monologue to dialogue, from broadcasting to engaging. To sum it up, the future of marketing lies in the power of personalization, engagement, and two-way communication. The era of Marketing 5.0 is here, and it's high time we embrace it. After all, in the world of marketing, the customer is indeed king.